We're off to, bro?
To the lockup.
To the lockup. Who cut your hair?
Fucking his show, mate.
We're gonna go put the body kit on the Skyline. Go test fit it anyway, see if it works. We're gonna go chop the guards. My favourite thing about a car is a grinder, so just go hack some stuff up. But now we'll just go test fit it today, and then we'll see if it works. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, oh well, it's gotta work. Some self-tapping screws just to fix the kit on for now, temporarily, and then we'll pull it all off rather than going ahead straight drilling it, rib nutting it, and then it's in the wrong place. So just, yeah, that's what I do anyway, self-tapping screws. And then make sure they fit, make sure, it lines up, and then take them off and line up and cut. Smallest Mitre 10 in the world. This is Mitre 10. Need to go there. You know you're in the south, mate. Red bands. Shahid's worried about canopies. We're gonna go to the gas station now and get us a drink to give us the energy to do the deed. So, you know, we're gonna have to get a Red Bull. Shambhala, what are we getting? Red Bull? A what? What's that?
Red Bull.
That wasn't a Red Bull.
That's 100% a Red Bull. It's the sickest Red Bull. That's what it tastes like.
So what do we get? What did you get?
Got a Jimmy's pie. Got a sugar free.
You're full of crap. Where's the other one?
I'm a fiend.
We got the butter chicken. Let's go. So we're back at the lockup. This is the 32 progress. Pulled the windows out. Bro, Bruce done it. Oh, this is it there. What are we doing?
Rocket bunny. Make this look like that, but bigger.
I'll start on this side, start on the rear, then do the front, and then same. For today, I'm not going to get carried away. I only want to put the kit on the car, so I'll just tech screw it all, and then adjust it, make sure I like where it is, check out the fitment, see what gaps there are and what not, and then mark what I need to fix, etc. And then I'll go ahead and cut everything eventually. But yeah, we'll start and then you guys can have a look. But with the Beetle as well, we've got Beetle content. I have already videoed this, just haven't done the video for it. It's got a bit of rust, but it's 1966, guaranteed rust. So this thing's going in 2 weeks to get fixed at a rust repair shop down here. So it's all signed off, all proper. And then I can start stripping this. But for now, focus on this. Oh, show them your shirt. Huh? Got the we're trying new designs. This one here, this Shahid's 180. The font, I've got 3 shirts printed already with different styles. I don't like that how the photos stuck on the shirt like that. I wanted the cartoon outline, but the shop couldn't do it. But it is what it is for now. But we are going to start making t-shirts and it's more for us anyway, but if you're keen, hit me up and then we can suss out some stuff. We've got a font for the front, so it goes across the front. We've got a small font on the front as well, over here.
No, I don't have it.
And then we've got a big one that goes across here. But yeah,
Your plate number?
and we've got, yeah, we'll figure it out though. But yeah, let's start working, less talking. Did a bit massive tidy up, got rid of all the glass and all the rubbish, but this is the 32 for now. So you've seen that side, cleaned up all around it. Pushed it back, but this is that side. It's all fucking good fitment. There are gaps, not gonna lie, there's little gaps, same thing as this side, but on the other side. But it's all good, we'll get there. But yeah, this is it for now. Now I know where I kind of want to go. I'll mark out the inner guard on both sides, take the whole kit off, and then I'll start cutting. But today, that's enough for now. I might even come back and take the whole car home, only because it's a bit of a drive to get here.
G'day guys.
How's it going? How's it going?
My name is Shade. I have big dick anxiety.
You're a fucking idiot. Nah, but that's it. For now, this is it. That's the car. I'm pretty wrapped with it. It looks pretty good. But it's got a long way to go. We're going to have to strip it all, paint it, panel it. It's not too bad. There's a few dents on the door, little pin dents. But one thing that I like about kits is a lot of this, like the rear guards were pretty rippled and the front guards were pretty dented. I could have fixed them quite easily. I did do everything on this pretty good. But at the end of the day, yeah, I'll just cut it all out and then fix what I can. Rust, we'll get to that. But for now, we'll just leave it as it is. It's going to have to get ginormous wheels for this thing. Only because you can see these 15 here. It's got 18 by 10s on it with, I think they're 20p, 15p offset. But it's running a 25mm spacer and a 50mm spacer on the rear. And they're still tucked in quite a bit. But it's all good. Like at the end of the day, I'm not too fussed. I'm going to end up getting new wheels anyway. And the 32 will just get massive wheels, but I'm going to announce something now. Huge update. Shade, where we off? Aussie. We off to Aussie.
I've got a rugby game there. That's why I'm moving. Getting real popular.
You don't play rugby though.
Huh?
You never play rugby in your life.
Yeah.
Shahid's got compulsive lying disease. But nah, we're off to Aussie. So yeah, we're off to Aussie. Big announcement. We're gonna go. What? Let me talk. We're gonna go to Australia. We're gonna go, and it's been a long time coming. I tried to go there before COVID to go for work, and I got a few mates over there that are making good money. So I thought, I've always wanted to try it. I'm kind of over living down south. It's all good. It's a beautiful place, but, try stuff new. And I'm keen to try some new things and go over there and see what the car scene's like there. And we'll still make videos. It'll just be in Australia. So
Where we going, son?
Shire. Fuck yeah. But yeah, so plans with the cars, I don't know. So the 15, I don't want to sell it. I've been building it. That's my dream car, or dream drift car anyway. But everything's for sale for the right price. So it is up for sale at the moment. I don't know. I kind of am getting a little bit to the point where if I don't sell it, we're going to buy a container anyway to put all our stuff in. The Beetle's we're not selling the Beetle anymore. Sorry, we were never selling the Beetle. I wanted to. My partner doesn't. But we'll chuck that in a container. And the 32 is going to be up for sale. I was going to keep it for the missus, her drift car. And to be honest, I wanted to take them both to Aussie as projects. But just get them there and figure it out later. But I'll sell the Skyline. I'll do it all properly. I won't get it running because I'm not going to spend a fortune on it. I'm just going to get it nice, wide body, painted, real tidy. It's got all the interior in it. You can make it road legal, but it's going to be a nightmare. If you got time and money, go for it.
If you're broke, don't do it.
Yeah, that's the one. If you're broke, don't even buy it. No. Oh, you can buy it, but ask mum and dad for a loan. No. Hey, mum, I washed the dishes for 20 years. You're fucking black.
Don't message, because I know you got no money. You know why? Because I'm trying to sell the cars and people don't have money. So don't message.
Yeah, hit me up if you got coin. If you don't hit me up. Because if you got no money and you just want to waste time, buy a Corolla.
Your parents don't even try because dad ain't going to give you a loan. You're already fucking expensive.
Boy, stop roasting the audience.
Noah, you out there, Noah? Because nigga, he got no money.
Stop. But all good. So it's all for sale. 15, if I don't get what I want for it, it won't sell. I'll put that in the container. The Beetle goes in the container anyway. Other things, we've got a ton of parts, but to be honest, I'm not too fussed. I'll keep it all. I'm not going to go to Aussie for the rest of my life, but I am going to go for a while. So all this stuff here, they can stay. I'm not too fussed. But yeah, I'll keep it update anyway with the Skyline. We'll carry on. We'll build it. We'll finish it. And when we get to Aussie, we'll go there and hopefully you can join us on the journey in Australia. And Shahid, he's staying here for a while. He's going to Auckland. His 180 will come back down here and he'll go into a container too. He doesn't want to sell it. So yeah, it's all good. So when we come back, we kind of have some sort of toys. We don't just go from back to nothing. We don't have any money. Or, we got money to buy stuff, but then you got to buy it for what it's worth in that time. So it's probably an arm and a leg, so I'd rather keep it. But yeah, hit me up. But yeah.
Just subscribe, please.
Why are you begging?
Please,
Don't subscribe.
just do that.
Tap the like. Gonna tap the
Tap
like.
the light like that. Like that.
What's wrong with your finger?
Like that.
Till next time.
Next project will be at HQ, VA.
Hell of a car. And then.
The noise will make the Chicago boys, straight from Chicago.